And today's event is to show gratitude and appreciation for every team member within the Lockers family and our entire ecosystem, including our dealers. The entire Panola County community has embraced, connected, and supported Lockers upon arrival. And we are grateful for the team and culture we have assembled here. Lockers will continue to hire and attract talent as we strive to keep that talent right here in Mississippi. Our innovation and diversification of our capabilities within complex customization designs is one of the main reasons Lockers is becoming the world's most identifiable locker brand.
The beautiful thing about Lockers is how from day one, they wanted to become a part of this community and our state. Every time I meet with Keith, he loves to brag about the people he works with. We could tell his employees are the most important thing to him. And that's why we know Lockers will be successful.
And I had the distinct honor of representing manufacturers all over the state of Mississippi. I have the pleasure of representing hundreds and hundreds of companies, and more importantly, the nearly 150,000 employees of manufacturing around the state. We are the engine that drives Mississippi's economy, and I think everybody here should take great pride in that. That's why I'm here. That's why I enjoy working with people like Keith, who put his money where his mouth is, put the investment in the community, and things like this happen and thrive.
Panola County and this section of North Mississippi is exceptionally well poised for more of this. Let's have more of these celebrations, but this is good news. This is the American dream